Okay, now that my download is done, I can see the file here. In this example, I'm using the video membership platform self-hosted edition, but remember this applies to all pre-made websites, so you can follow the same procedure no matter what site you bought. Now, since this file is zipped, we need to unzip it. There are two files that we need to upload to our cPanel or to our hosting. So I'm going to right click here and unzip these files here. After you've unzipped, you will find two files in the unzipped folder. We need to upload these two files to our hosting. Remember, don't change the name or the file names of these two files, just upload them as is. You can use FTP or you can use whatever method your hosting allows you to upload files to your website or your server. In this example, I'm going to use FTP, so I'm going to pull up my FileZilla software that I use to upload files. Okay, I pulled up my FileZilla and I've logged into my site, and I'm just going to go ahead and upload those two files by just dragging them over to the other side so that they're uploaded. It might take a while for the files to upload, but they've been uploaded. And the site that I'm using for my example today is called videosalesshop.com. It's a domain I just registered and set up with hosting, and as you can see, it's still blank, just a blank domain which I'm going to install this site on. And as you can refresh here, you'll see you have those two files I just uploaded. So now we're going to install them. Remember, these two files are just pretty much a package WordPress, pre-packaged WordPress. It's not a theme, it's not a plugin, it's just a full WordPress that has been backed up and cloned, and we're going to restore it. And if you don't have FileZilla, you don't know how to upload sites to your website, you can always ask someone who does to help you out, or you can also upload it through your cPanel. Okay, now I'm logged into the cPanel, the control panel for my website, videosalesshop.com. And for those of you who don't have cPanel, who don't have FileZilla to upload files like I mentioned, you could also do it using your cPanel file manager by clicking on File Manager and going to your public_HTML and then uploading it using the upload button here to upload those two files in here. Obviously these two files are already there now because I just uploaded them through FileZilla. But if you don't use cPanel, use a different hosting platform, you just need to achieve the same goal here, pretty much uploading these two files to your hosting. So now these two files have been uploaded. We are now going to install them. For us to install WordPress, obviously we need a database. So I'm going to jump back to our cPanel here, and we go to our database section and create a database. Okay, I'm going to click on the MySQL database wizard to create my database that I'll use to install my WordPress site. I'm going to call this database Video Sales Shop. Okay, and then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to give it a password and also give it a user. Click create user, and I'm going to assign all privileges. Click next, and there we go, our database and user is created. So now we're going to go ahead and install the site. So all you do now is just go to your the URL of your site, and this is my example. I'm using Video Sales Shop, and click on this file that says video installer. Actually one that says installer, the file name always ends with installer. That's basically this one, the one that says installer. That's what you want to click on online. When we click on the file in our browser, it gives us the installation window, which is very similar to the installation window for WordPress, the default standard WordPress. So we just kind of go ahead and fill out everything. Let's go ahead and fill out the name. This is the database name that we just created earlier. Let's go ahead and grab that. In this case, my database that's my database name. I put that in there. My user, make sure you don't make a mistake. Let's go grab my user right here. Copy that. And of course the password that you put in when you were creating the database. Let's go ahead and test the connection. It's all good. Click you've accepted warnings, and click Run Deployment. If there's a pop-up comes up, click OK. What it does is just simply does its magic and restores the WordPress database and everything just like this you saw it in the demo sites of the product. And this might take a while, so just let it run and don't close the window. Okay, after it finished running, it already detects that our new domain, our new website, Video Sales Shop, and pre-fills it for us, and everything else pretty much stays the same. You can just go ahead and click Run Updates for it to make those changes in the database, and after it's done, then your site is done. You can just go ahead and click on, let's go ahead and click on Save Permalinks, which kind of does a little bit of in-house cleanup, and it takes you to your backend of your WordPress, of your new WordPress site. We have a default admin login, which is admin, and then the password is also admin, ADMIN. You definitely want to change that as soon as you log in. Let's go ahead and log into our WordPress site. As you can see, it's a standard WordPress website, and the URL to get to the admin is your domain name /wp-admin. And first thing you want to do is go ahead and change the password for the user which we're logged in as. Let's go ahead, you can add a new user, or you can just go ahead and change the name for the existing one. Let's go click users, edit the admin, and go ahead and set a new password here and hit save, update profile. So you want to make sure you want to do that, and or just create a new user, a new admin user for yourself, and delete this existing one. Now that our WordPress is fully installed and our site is fully installed, we can go check the front end. Let's go click on Visit Sites and check out our website on the front end. As you can see, the site on Video Sales Shop is fully installed and to look exactly like the demo that you saw. Remember, this tutorial uses the self-hosted video membership pre-built site as an example, but this pretty much applies to any site that is pre-built by us, and you just go through the same installation procedure and you get an exact copy or clone of whatever site it is that you bought or you saw in the demo. And next we're going to go ahead and tweak the look and feel. And again, this tutorial will also focus on all the general features on how to update the site regardless of which particular site that you have. The procedure is all the same. And thank you for viewing this tutorial. Hope to see you soon.